morning, children. In this video, where we are learning about area and perimeter, I am going to show you three different rectangles. And these rectangles I have drawn on a graph paper. Now, the use of drawing these rectangles on the graph paper is that you will be able to see that these three rectangles have got same area, but their perimeters are different. Now you must be wondering, how is this possible? So I'm going to show it to you by focusing my camera on the graph paper. So let us learn more about area and perimeter. Rectangles having same areas and different perimeter. Okay, look at these three rectangles we have drawn. Look at the first one. The length of the first rectangle is 16 centimeter and the breadth is 1 centimeter. So the area of the rectangle is length multiplied by breadth, which is 16 multiplied by 1 equal to 16 square centimeter. I have drawn these rectangles on the graph paper to show you that every rectangle is made up of 16 squares and each square has an area of 1 square centimeter. Let us count the number of squares in the first rectangle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 16 squares whose area is 1 square centimeter is making this rectangle, and that is the reason area of this rectangle is 16 square centimeter. Now the perimeter. Perimeter is the total length of the boundary of the rectangle. So perimeter of this rectangle is equal to 2 lengths plus 2 breadths, which is equal to 16 plus 16 plus 1 plus 1. This is equal to 34 centimeter. Let us look at this second rectangle. Here the length is 8 centimeter and the breadth is 2 centimeter. So area of the rectangle is equal to length multiplied by breadth is equal to 8 multiplied by 2. 8 2s are 16. 16 square centimeter. Children, I will show you that even this rectangle is made up of 16 squares and the area of each square is 1 square centimeter. So let us count the squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And that is the reason the area of this rectangle is 16 square centimeter. Now perimeter. You can see that the length of this rectangle is 8 centimeter and breadth is 2 centimeter. So perimeter is equal to length plus breadth plus breadth is equal to 8 plus 8 plus 2 plus 2, which is equal to 20 centimeter. Now the perimeter of these two rectangles is different, but the area is same. Let us look at this third one. Some of you would say that this is a square. Yes, certainly this is a square. But every square is a rectangle. You know why? Because the opposite sides are equal. In all the rectangles, we have opposite sides equal. So in a square also the opposite sides are equal. So every square is also a rectangle. Now look at the area of this square. The length is 4 centimeter, breadth is also 4 centimeter. So area is equal to 4 multiplied by 4 equal to 16 square centimeter. Let us see whether 16 squares make this figure or not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So children, 16 squares, all whose area is 1 square centimeter each, are making this figure, and that is the reason area of this figure is 16 square centimeter. Now perimeter is equal to 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. Now since all the sides are 4 centimeter each, so perimeter is equal to 16 centimeter. Incidentally, here's the area as well as the perimeter, the magnitude is same. Here also it is 16, here also it is 16. But remember children, the unit for area is square centimeter and that of perimeter is centimeter. So with the help of these three rectangles, we have learned that we can have rectangles which have same areas but different perimeter. That's all for today children. Thank you and have a nice day.